Hello Choro-Q people, we got another one. The Daihatsu Tanto is Choro-Q number 28. It is from 2004 and it's new, still taped together. Okay. The Daihatsu Tanto is a K-class vehicle, so it can only have a 660cc motor and be of a certain dimensions for tax benefits in Japan. So they're not powerhouses, they're not speed demons, but they're meant to go through the small streets of Tokyo, I imagine, and maximize the interior space at the same time. So very often they look like boxes on wheels like this, but that's kind of why I like them. I like the real cars, and I like a cartoon version of it as well. Here we go. I guess the first generation of this Tanto was available between 2003 and 2007. And they're still made today, several generations on. I think they're cool looking, all generations of these Tantos. Okay, I wonder if this is considered an offensive name to Native Americans. Anyways, let's take a closer look at this toy and see what we have by Tomitech or Takara. Standard 5-spoke chrome wheels. Tight details on the panel gaps, the door handle there, a really dark smoked plastic to hide the motor. Well, it's actually not that dark. Okay. I've seen a lot darker before where you think it's actually painted black. Blank plate, no paint here, but no, that's just in shadow. It looked black for a second, but it's just a shadow. And then some silver paint on these, and then the Daihatsu logo is molded in nicely. A little overspray here, the black molding. Or really, no, it's not the black molding. That's just the raw plastic. It's not enough spray. This metallic isn't covering enough of it. Alright, then we have the red taillights. Then the Daihatsu Tanto info. Some ribs on the roof, rain gutters. And then this thing is, yeah, as we see, 2004. And it's your standardized whatever, Choro-Q, I guess, where the whole body is clear plastic and they painted the rest of it to look like the car, which I find pretty interesting. It seems like it would be really hard to do that. They gotta somehow mask off the windows well enough to paint the rest of the body. Alrighty, let's see if we can get this tab off. There we go. Get this out of here. Gonna pop in a 3D printed motor. Put this back together with a hand screwdriver so I don't strip it out. Alright. Nope, that's still too loose. So I have these 3D printed wheels. Yeah, they're called Cheviot Sonic wheels, according to one image I found online. I don't know where they were originally made. That one image I found online was for trying to fit them on like a Volkswagen. So maybe it's a European brand, but when I look up JDM wheels, that brand Cheviot comes up. Alright, anyways. So this putty is called Potafix Pro, and it's great stuff. As you can see, it's really easy to pop in there. You could have them steer, you could have them camber, whatever you want to do, but I'm just going to have these straight in there, I guess, today. Maybe a little camber there. Alright, there we go. Cheviot wheels. Funky. They look European. They look like Ferrari wheels, kind of, or Lamborghini wheels. Alright, let's take a look at a couple other cars to compare to. There's a cool custom one. It looks like it has like Mercedes type wheels, you know, those VIP wheels, monoblocks. So I have this 1/64 scale. It's made by Doyosha, and it's a Daihatsu Tanto custom. So, you know, the real car in real life is pretty cute. And now it's just really more comical by Choro-Q. I don't know, which is more comical? You know, the wheels on the orange are so small. That's what makes it look so comical. You know, this giant box rolling on these tiny wheels. Yeah, I don't know. It's interesting. What do you guys think? What looks more like a cartoon? And then I guess we'll pull out some ChoroQs, other vans. This is called a Toyota Voxy. This is a Honda Life. Here's a Honda Element. And then a Daihatsu Move, so that'd actually be the closest one to it. I can't remember if the Move is a K-Class car. Probably is also. Alright, let's go to the top view here. So, if you're curious, all these three are 3D printed wheels. These are Hot Wheels Real Riders, and I just repainted them gold. So, you know, you can get some of those Hot Wheels with the staggered tires and swap them over. Alright, let's take a look at this thing on its own. And today Thor is driving this around. It's a Bandai Gashapon figure. Alright, well, I like K-Class vehicles, and apparently I like cartoon versions of them. And I'll continue to get more, so stay tuned. See ya.